Hello everyone, today is a very special video. As you can see, there is no whiteboard behind me. In today's video, first of all, I would like to thank you all for all your support, because today I have reached the first milestone of 1000 subscribers. Yay! And it was not possible without your support. I will also answer some of the questions that you guys have asked me, either by commenting on my videos or by sending email to thinksoftwarehelp@gmail.com. I hope you will find those answers very useful for you guys. And then in the end, I also have a question for you guys as well. So please watch this video till end. So the first question that you guys have asked me is that what are the online resources that I'm using to create my videos? Do I read company blogs to understand the architecture of the system or not? And to be honest, making these videos take a lot of effort. Usually if I'm making a video on a topic, let's say designing Uber, usually I take around 2 to 3 weeks to actually research all the different online resources. I go through all the links that Google showed me. I actually go through all the YouTube videos that I can find on the topic. After that, I actually design the system by myself, and it usually takes like 1 to 2 weeks for me to come up with the design, to actually have a write-up for all the design. And then I actually make my videos, and usually it takes me around 1 week to actually make a YouTube video, edit it, and then upload it to the YouTube website. So the short answer is yes, of course, I do go through all the different online resources that I find by searching on the internet. But the thing is that if you have seen my YouTube videos, you will find that there are many things that I discuss in my videos that you will not find in any other online sources. And the reason is that I am designing the systems based on my industry experience that I have. And that is why I would just say to you guys that please keep watching my videos, please keep liking them, keep commenting on them, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more and more videos in future as well. Then some of you guys have asked me that are we required to discuss about some back of the envelope calculations. So personally, I don't prefer back of the envelope calculation during an interview. I consider them a bit waste of time, especially if you like spend 10-15 minutes just doing some calculations about the number of read-write requests that you will be expecting, or the number of active users that you will see, especially if those calculations does not dictate the later design. Also at the end, if the result of the calculation is that we need to use 3 servers as compared to a single server, usually in that case I actually prefer more discussing about the non-functional requirements like high availability, scalability, durability, etc., because I think these requirements dictate how the system should be designed. And as far as the calculations regarding how many active users will be there in the system, I would just say that usually I answer this to the interviewer as that we can have an analytics and monitoring in our service where we will see how many requests our service is seeing, how many read-write requests are coming per second, per hour, per day, how many active users do we see every day, etc. And we can, based on those analytics, we can actually scale our system gradually. Of course, the initial design that we need to do need to be flexible enough to actually able to scale well as the number of users increases, as the number of load increases on our service. So there's a third question which the people have asked, that what level at Facebook, Google or Amazon will you land if you manage to answer the questions the same way I am designing in my videos. So I think if you are targeting level L5, L6 plus for Facebook, Google or similar level in Amazon, then if you are designing the system the way I'm designing would be sufficient. But you also need to understand that getting a senior or principal level position in these big technology companies require other things as well. For example, first you need to ace your coding interview and behavioral interview. You need to show leadership skills. You need to show that you have opinions about things, and you should be able to express your opinion with confidence. If you are lacking confidence, if you are lacking having opinions, then you will not land a senior or principal level job in these big technology companies. This is very important thing. Usually people don't really understand that, but this is very important, that you need to have opinion, and you need to have right opinion most of the time, and you should be able to express your opinion with confidence. So now I have a question for you guys. For the past few weeks, I am actually writing a book on designing distributed systems. I consider this book to be a great resource if you would like to prepare for the system design interview, but also I would like to have this book to be the book that you would like to go through if you want to understand the design of different distributed systems, or if you want to learn about how to design different distributed systems. In this book, I will be discussing the design of 15-20 different distributed systems, including not just the design of TinyURL or designing Uber, designing Twitter, etc., that I have already discussed in my previous videos, but also design of other advanced topics like designing object storage, designing block storage, designing compute engine, etc. So let me know in the comments below, would you be interested in such a book or not? So again, in the end, I would like to thank you all again for all your support, for helping me achieve this 1000 subscriber milestone, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I would again say to you guys that please keep watching my videos, please keep sharing it, please keep liking it, please keep commenting on it. And if you have questions that you would like me to answer in my future videos, then please add those questions either in the comment below, or you can email me to thinksoftwarehelp@gmail.com. And if you like this video, then let me know also. I will then make maybe once a month such video in which I will try to answer all the questions that you guys would have asked me. So again, thank you all and take care.